Meaning of Hsiang.
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 Hsiang. Hsiang is a Chinese word with various meanings. It can be interpreted as fragrance, incense, or aroma, which reflects a pleasant and sweet-smelling scent. It can also refer to the city of Shenyang in China, or to someone's name. In traditional Chinese medicine, Hsiang is used to describe a type of herbal medication that promotes wellness and health. Overall, Hsiang represents a diverse range of cultural and linguistic practices that highlight the richness and complexity of Chinese language and culture.